Start off, virtual events are more scalable. You're able to have infinite people there. Unlike in an in-person event where you're limited by the size of your venue, you could have 1 million people in your virtual event if you promote it right. And other than that, you can also have a full video recording of the event to share with people who are unable to attend. So obviously there's a lot of people right now that were not able to attend this event that still want the information. We're going to be able to record the entire thing and share it to them directly so they don't miss out on anything. Another advantage of it is there is a lower cost to attend. I mean, let's be honest, we've all been to events where we're just like, oh, I don't want to drive all the way out there. I don't want to take the time to go. This allows people to just get out of bed, put on some pajamas, watch the event from their living room, and not have to worry about any of those extra costs to attending. And so that's really convenient for people.